What is going on, guys? Another fine episode here at Model Garage, but more like carport at the moment. We're still not up to the garage part of it, but another fine episode. We're gonna be doing the second part of the engine bay. I'm gonna be showing you the spraying and the clear coating part of it today. Last video we saw the sanding of it. That took a while, so decided just to make 2 videos of that. So I'll show you guys that now, and then we'll see the final results once I mask it all off. Alright guys, so we just got done painting the engine bay. We did 3 coats of the black, 1 coat of the clear. Drag it out. Drag it out. See it? Nice. Real nice. In the front. So the plan is, I'm actually gonna let that dry really good, and then I'm gonna on my way to Home Depot real quick so I can get another bottle of clear, put maybe another layer or 2, and then that's it. That should wrap it up. Alright, so real quick, let's go over this, guys. So, not too shabby. It's a little dirty already from the car sitting outside, but it looks good. I'm happy. First time ever painting anything, so especially something at this size. I like it. Looks good. Awesome. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, make sure you hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed already and it's your first time on the channel, make sure that you subscribe. That way you get the updates. The engine bay on this car is for Project 9. That's the whole goal eventually down the road. I will be actually working on tearing apart this car tomorrow. So we're gonna get the engine out of this, clean it all up, and put it on this car and then see what it does.